Hey guys, it's Newfie from Newfie Loves Luxury. Please ignore the back. Hopefully you can't see too much. I'm in my bedroom actually, and it is not clean today because it's Friday and I've worked all week and I'm freaking tired. So anyway, again, I just want to say thank you to everybody that has subscribed. I've actually got over 160. So if you haven't subscribed, do it now. Do it now. I'm waiting. Do it now. Did you do it? Thank you. Anyway, for those that have been watching and subscribing and commenting and giving me the thumbs up, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's really nice. I'm just sharing what I do. Don't get paid for it. It's just a bit of fun, and I certainly do work full time during the week, so hence my bedroom. Please don't look. Okay, so I'm really excited, and you can see that I've got into crazy mode again today. I don't even have lipstick on. I should have put lipstick on. It's worn off because I've been talking so much this morning. It's lunchtime here in Australia. On a Friday, I work till lunchtime, even though I do work 40-50 hours a week. I do them all Monday to Thursday so that I can spend the afternoon with my son. Anyway, let me tell you why I'm doing this quick video, and then I will do a proper video, okay? So I probably have said, if you've watched my other videos, go and check them out, that I was trying to decide on a bag, and I was deciding out of 3, well, maybe 4, but I was deciding, and one of the ones that I wanted, and I really wanted, was the Lock Me Ever Mini. Oh, I don't know, I should know what it's called, I don't. I'm really conscious about you seeing, like, you know, randomly all my things. Maybe I'll put it this way. Oh, I'm sorry, that's probably even worse. Anyway, I'll continue. I'll come a bit closer. So I just want to open the box because it is an unboxing. Let me show you. So, you know, my doggies are behind. This is what it's come in. I'm not going to bore you with this, so I'm literally opening the box that I just showed you. But in the box, I've got, which I assume is my receipt. I'll look at that in a minute. What's really cool, and I guess it's for Christmas, is he sent me and I say he, lovely Ryan, has sent me what looks like a Christmas Louis Vuitton. It's really, I know it's a bag, but it's really cool. Look at the colours. And now I know I don't like blue, and you will be sitting there going, but you don't like blue. I don't, but I actually love orange. And I think the colours look really good together. I'm so glad he sent this to me because it's really nice. I might put that on the wall somehow. Anyway, love that. Just want to share. It smells so new. All right, I'm really sorry about my lighting and then me jumping in front of it. So just with my receipts, I just want to see if it's, just feels more than I usually get. So let me have a very quick look. Yes, that's a receipt. That's just how to return. Oh yes, the DML that they've posted it, and I assume, oh, okay, even more cute. I've got to show you this. So Ryan, who I've said is the most lovely sales associate, and he sold me so much, he sent me a nice little note, and that note says, wishing you and your loved ones a Merry Christmas. I'm sure your bag will be best friends with your wheels. I look forward to assisting you in 2023 and onwards, Ryan. Oh, I know he's a salesperson and I want to buy something, he wants to sell something. That's how we know each other. Great. But you know what? That's just so lovely and so personal. And just to say I'm not making that up. Is that zoomed? How lovely is that? I am going to thank him because I contacted him through WhatsApp. I'm going to send him a really lovely message and say thank you so much. And what he's talking about with the wheels is we were making jokes because I'll show you the bag, but it's got a red interior and it's somewhat black on the outside, and so is my car. So it's black, it's a black Mercedes with a red interior with a red leather seat. So we had that little joke. Anyway, so unboxing. Now I'm going to tell you right up front, I'm late to the party by 10 years. 10 years. I believe they first put this bag out about 10 years ago, and I think it's been one of those bags that has been the most used. There's so many videos, so and I never really used to like it. And then when I was going through the 3 bags, I thought, well, what's the one that I need now that I'll use the most? And then I'll go to buy the other bag after Christmas. So with that, and that's really cute wrapping, don't you think? How beautifully wrapped is that? All right. So I'm going to unwrap this, and I'm standing and it's awkward. And you know what I really love? It's not a blue ribbon. Yay! I hate the blue ribbon. Okay, so we have, and I'll open this up. And of course we just have the dust bag. I'm not seeing any samples of perfume, but after his lovely note, I can't be mad, right? So let me just put this down. I love it when they send you the samples. So out of all the bags, you could probably tell right now what it is, and I'm really excited because I've never had one of these, and I know I'm late to the party, but I'm really excited, and I hope that this is everything I want it to be. Doo-doo. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, it's a bit smaller than what I remember. Okay, so obviously it's the Pochette Metis. Yes, that's why I'm late to the party. And yes, this is one of them, except for I was looking at the pink. And then when I still am looking at the pink, if I'm honest. So when I was going through this with Ryan, I'm like, oh, but, you know, I want a bag for every day, something that can sit crossbody, that can just be my workhorse. I want to still use my Riverside for work, but I just want to also have my bag with the, you know. And he basically said, why don't you try this? Because it's black, the pink might have some, you know, you have to be careful of what you're wearing with the colour transfer. I don't know if that's a thing, but that's what he said. So just let me show you this, but that's the story. I don't have... oh, sorry, I take that back. I was going to say I don't have a black bag. I do have one black Oroton bag. It's really big, and I never use it. I have the heart bag, the Coach heart bag. Go and check that video out. And I'll be honest, I now never use that. I really wanted that bag. Anyway, that's a whole nother story. Let's just focus on this baby. And this would be my only bag that I hope is actually functional, because let's be honest, the heart Coach bag, it's not functional. There's my doggos. There's my doggos. So here it is. There's the bottom. I didn't worry that it had no feet because I want this to be a crossbody. I've learned that if I don't have a top handle, I don't like the bag. That actually annoys me if I can't grab the bag, because even if it is crossbody, you want to be able to grab it. So the little Kate Spade one has the top handle, so I'm happy. So anyway, I will do a better video of what fits and when I transfer the bags, but I just wanted to show you the raw excitement that I have for being late to the party and what this means to me. I'm really hopeful that this is my everyday bag. And the black, yes, I would have loved the pink so much, and I might still get that if I enjoy this bag. Because some people love it, some people hate it, right? Sorry about my nails. So let's just have a look. I want to see what so that's nice and smooth. That's good, that's really nice. Some people say there's some issues. I'm having a quick look. I mean, it looks really good. Looks really good. So let's open this little bad boy. Let's open. So the S-lock, which I love. I haven't taken the plastic off yet because you're literally opening it with me. I'll take the packaging out, but I'm going to keep that. I'm going to take the strap out, which is the crossbody, which, you know, it's just a black strap, kind of plain. I'm very, very much into colours, but I wanted this for this reason. This is big inside, the little tags that it comes with. I'll just put those there. Okay, so let me show you the inside. I'm not in my proper room, so obviously my lighting is not fabulous, so I will do a better review of this. It's nice and supple, not subtle, certainly not subtle. Yeah, looks great, to be honest. Let's have a quick look. Guess what? What does Newfie love? Made in France. Made in France. Made in France. I don't know why that's such a big thing for me. I just really like it. But anyway, I can't tell you, this smells so much like leather. I know it's leather. I don't know my other handbags are leather, but it just, yeah. So far, I'm really liking it. I know there's nothing in it. Now, I have heard that if it's not packed and it's not stuffed, it's quite hard to do up. And I can see that already, but that's okay. Let me just put on the top strap. Also the top strap, the crossbody strap would make more sense, wouldn't it, people? Obviously, I am 5'4", and like I said, this bag's been around for 10 years, so you guys, I'm sure, are aware of it and will have seen lots of other videos. There it is. I'm going to try it on. I don't have much room to step back here. Let me try and push you back a bit. Sorry about my room. So, yeah, that's actually pretty good the way it is. Yeah, let me push you back a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. However I think if I pulled that up any more, well, maybe. Let me try it. Can I? It's on the third hole. It's on the third hole. Let me take this off to do it. Let me see if it would be too... I'll undo it and I'll put it on the second highest hole to the top. And before I put that strap in, we'll just see. Oh, actually, yeah, maybe that is better. I think it would pretend. It'll depend on what I'm wearing. I've actually got to go out, so I'm going to quickly shove it full of things, but I'll do a different video showing you that. And I'll talk about that I've used it today and how I went with it and what I really think. So far, I think it's lovely. I will just do that up. But guys, I'm going to stop because I will do another proper video in my room, not in my bedroom, but I did want to show you the unboxing and I wanted to show you this. So yes, I am still in love with the pink one. I'm still in love with that Lock Me Ever, whatever it's called. I really feel like I need that in my life. And I still like the Crochet in the Demier Ebene. So maybe let's hope that there's nothing new that comes out that I love more than them. I think no matter what I love, it's actually over there. I do love my marshmallow and I love it probably more than everything. But I'm going to see for a workhorse how this goes. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to say I hope you're enjoying your December and all your Christmas plans. And if you're not making Christmas plans and you're the Grinch, good on you. As you can see, nothing Christmas going on here. But anyway, have a great day or night, whatever time it is there. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time.